Want to get insanely accurate, engaging, and viral responses from ChatGPT? Then stop writing vague prompts and start writing powerful ones. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to write the perfect prompt, step by step. Imagine getting responses from ChatGPT that sound like they came from a $10,000 consultant. That's what a well-structured prompt can do for you. Let me show you the formula I use and why it works. Every perfect prompt is built on three core pillars: role, instructions, and format. Role. This tells ChatGPT who it should pretend to be. A lawyer, a content writer, an artist. Defining the role gives your prompt voice, tone, and expertise. Number 2 is instructions. This is what we call the engine room. Your step-by-step process that tells ChatGPT exactly what to do before it writes. Think of it like a checklist: clear, detailed, no guessing. Number 3 is format. This is how the answer should look. Are you in need of table or a tweet thread or 200-word email? Use format rules to shape the output exactly how you want it. Let's look at a real-world prompt example using these three pillars.